What's up, people? It's your boy Junior with another project, not a project, but an exhibition. And I got this once in a lifetime opportunity. I hope it's not a once in a lifetime opportunity, but I got an opportunity to have my work displayed in the downtown area of Charlotte at the Harvey B Gantt Center. Incredible opportunity, incredible experience. Before I show you how the exhibition went, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Excuse me as I try to close this freaking door. Anyways, it's the morning. I'm on my way to the museum to look at the exhibition. This is something extremely new that I've never done before. Working with a museum to have my work displayed, and the digital work is something that I've never even imagined in my life. Let's go on a ride to the museum and let's take it from there. So we just arrived at the Harvey B Gantt Museum, and this is where my art is gonna be located. So let's go ahead and take a walk inside, and let's go meet Angel, the exhibition coordinator of where my art is gonna be located. So let's go in here. So we're currently inside. This is a cool museum. I've been in here once for an event that they had, and all of their exhibitions is right upstairs through the escalator. The name of the exhibition is called Digital Funk. The exhibition coordinator saw my work at a different gallery and saw that I had digital work there as well, alongside with my physical work, and she really loved that I kind of used both methods to kind of create my physical work using digital art. So I think this is what stood me apart from most artists. So let's see where this takes us. I'm really excited about the opportunity. It seems like you're very excited about it. It seems like it's exhausting too.
It is, you know, I mean, I think all things, you know, even being an artist can be exhausting sometimes. Yeah. And so we definitely understand that.
Yo, so that was it, guys. That was such a cool experience to walk around the Harvey B Gantt Museum and see all of their exhibition space. I got to meet Angel and Dominique, which they are the exhibition curators, and this is just a really cool experience. So I'm looking forward to get this started. It's a really quick and fast turnaround, but I'm pretty sure that I can get it done. They want all of my pieces done and hung up by next Wednesday, so I have 5 days to complete this. So it's gonna be a fast turnaround, quick process, but I'm pretty sure that we can get it done. I'm extremely excited and can't wait to show you once it's up. Today is officially the day that I get to pack my stuff and bring it to the Harvey B Gantt Museum. I am loading my car right now so that we can get this started and have my stuff displayed in the museum in the next coming hours. Something that I never imagined my life having. So I'm on my way to the museum, and I wanted to talk to you guys about how I actually got this project. So this is actually something that a video that I want to speak about and let you guys know as an art tip, is to really make yourself known as an artist is going to events. So finding meetups and finding other companies or groups who are hosting events, go to those events as much as you possibly can, because that's how you make those connections to build those relationships to get you opportunities like this. So the way I got this opportunity was through a company that is established here in Charlotte, DAFCO, and they work with NFTs and building frames so that they can display NFTs through their frame. So instead of having just like a regular frame, it would be a frame where you can put your NFTs to display it in your house. So the owner is a big fan of my work, and I've gone to several of his events, and he has been talking to Angel, which is the exhibition curator, and he thought of me when she thought about this exhibition, and he brought me up to, to her, basically saying, hey, I think this would be a great artist for you to choose for this exhibition. And that's how I really got the exhibition. So I think it's worthwhile saying, put yourself out there so that you can get opportunities like this and other ones, and you also get to meet people. So extremely grateful for Don Dapgo's owner, and everyone involved in getting me this opportunity, because this is something really special and pretty big in my career. So happy to be a part of this. It's my first one. This is it. This is my work museum. I mean, look at that. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Guys, so you see my murals, you see my work. Those are my big projects that I've learned. I've learned from this guy. This guy was my teacher when doing my first mural and all the others. So when I need some support, knowledge, and I need somebody to learn from, I call for this guy. This is Abel Jackson. This guy is a beast. He's an incredible muralist here in Charlotte, and this is just my boy right here. My boy. And that's a wrap, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more of my projects. I have so much more in the pipeline that I'm working on, and I truly want you to stay tuned. So make sure you hit that notification bell to get updates when I do post my videos. Yeah, I just want to give out an inspirational message to everybody out there, is to follow your dreams. Make sure that you keep going after what you want. If you're an artist, if you're somebody that's pursuing something that you feel that is bigger than you, and you feel like you could really make an impact in this world and show the world who you are, don't let any rainstorms, don't let any thunderstorms, don't let any difficult obstacles get in the way of you and your goals. Your goals are yours, and keep going after it, because anything is possible when you really believe in yourself. So keep believing in yourself, and I promise you that everything will work out just the way it needs to be.